Okay, so we're back on the HG Holden ute today, and we're doing lower subframe channel repairs, rust repairs, and the water has gotten down in through here, as you can see, collected on top of the chassis rail in here, and I'll just grab a torch and gathers down in there. So what I've done is cut it out. There was rust around the base of this channel, which we've cut out, and I wanted to check down into the chassis there to make sure, but that's all seems good. So I've cleaned it up in there. You can vacuum it out, and once we've done that, before we weld the new material back in, I usually use this Galmet rust converter, and we'll just brush it in here, around all in there to protect it before we weld it back up. And so the final piece down the bottom here I've got here, we'll cut this out, and you can see we bend the curve in it, and we'll put that in there and weld it back up. It should be as good as new. Okay, so we're going to start replacing these parts here. As you can see over here, cut this side out, and I've made up this replacement bit here to go in here. We'll weld that in, and I'll just take you over here and show you how to make these contours. So to get these strengthening edges around here, I just will bend it in the vise to start with and get it close. Then I, using the hammer, go along the edge of the vise, into this side, hammer along here, and then to do the curves, I use this bit of 150mm round bar. You just clamp that in the vise. This is good for doing around the windscreens and stuff like that as well. So yeah, just to do your hammering around to do these curved edges, and then to do this in here, you can use T-dollies, or in this case I've just opened up the vise nice and simple like that, and then I've used this back of this cold chisels because it's got the right curve in here, and just a couple of good belts in there to form that. Yeah, and that's it. Welder in.